Hello viewers, today for final checkout we have a set of Clarity Professional 5.8 GHz cordless telephones model C4230. This is a 5 handset system and we'll begin by calling it up. Okay, that's working correctly. I'll switch over to the mains and we'll make an outside call.
Greetings from Jones Family Farm, where we're out the pumpkin field, the vineyards, and the Christmas trees.
This is an awful speakerphone.
Our strawberry and blueberry season are now far behind us, and we so appreciate all of you who helped us bring in the harvest, making them a successfully safe season, following all the guidelines with reservations and social distance. After that, we've already had a few inquiries on those upcoming seasons, and I'll reference that near the end of this message. Currently, the winery is a great activity to come to. At our Homestead Farm, one of our 3 Jones Farm locations. The winery is open Thursday through Sunday from 11 until... Pre-order pickups begin at 11 a.m. and you can pre-order online at jonesfamilyfarms.com, and the website also has the paved parking lot, and in addition to our wines, we include jams, cracker, cheeses, honey, and farm. Wine by the Glass table service begins at 12 p.m.
I just lost the call. It was user error.
Greetings from Jones Family Farm. Vineyards and the Christmas trees.
Oh, it's on speaker. That's why
all our
it's
crops. Our strawberry and blueberry season are now far behind. So appreciate all of you who helped us bring in the harvest, making them a successfully safe season, following all the guidelines with reservations. Soon after that, we've already had a few inquiries on those upcoming seasons, and I'll reference that near the end of this message. The winery is a great activity to come for. The winery is located at our Homestead Farm, one of our 3 Jones Farm locations.
Okay, so those are all working on the incoming side. I noticed something kind of odd about these. You can manipulate them while they're on the charge. You can do multiple different functions, but you cannot turn it on. Not talk or speakerphone. So now let's check the outgoing audio. Call the testing phone.
Goose goose, 1, 2, 3.
Feedback Freak Show. This handset is working.
Goose goose goose.
This handset is also working. What an awful feedback freak show.
The microphone was muted, now it's not muted. It's still feeding back. Another feedback freak show to test this handset. This handset works. One final, whatever this is called, a feedback freak show to test this handset.
Okay, they're all working. Incoming and outgoing audio is good. Now we'll check all the buttons to make sure those are still working. Okay, that's working. Handset number 2. Okay, that's working. Handset number 3. Handset 3 is good. Handset number 4. Oops, typo. Okay, that's good. And handset number 5. Okay, that handset is good. All 5 are in good working order as far as the buttons are concerned.
Enter off. Enter on.
That didn't sound too good.
Enter off. Enter on. Enter off. Enter on.
Okay.
Please leave your message after the tone. You have no messages.
You do a memo from the base? No, we'll have to do a memo. Or we'll just record it. Do a recording, an outgoing message. Hello, this is a test.
Hello, this is a test.
Okay, that's working. The base is good. Let's call it up and we'll leave a testing message. I don't know if the answering machine is on or not. perhaps it's not.
Answer off. Answer on.
It was on. I don't know, maybe the ring time was really long or something. Okay, let's try again. I think what's happening is the switcher is not making a good connection.
Hello, this is a test. You need to clean the switcher.
Okay, and I'll record a memo just so we have something to test the forward and backwards buttons with. Where was it here? Messages. Recording a memo, recording a memo. Here's a third one so that we can test the forward and rewind, or calling it, buttons. Okay.
You have 3 new messages. New message 1, Monday, 12:11 a.m.
You need to clean the switcher.
New message 3, Monday, 12, new message 3, new message 3, new message 2, Monday, 12:11 a.m.
Recording a memo, recording a memo.
New message 3, Monday, 12:11 a.m.
Here's a third one so that we can test the forward and rewind, or call the buttons.
New message 3, erased. End of new messages. You have 2 old messages. Old message 1, Monday, old message 1, erased. Old message 2, Monday, 12, old message 2, erased. End of messages.
Okay, I think that's all checking out, aside from the flaky batteries in there, which is whatever it's going to be at this point. I'll use these and see how the batteries hold up. These are all cleaned and confirmed working and ready to go.